Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Carmila Yani and I'm student of Mandalika University of Education. Today in this video, I'll try to explain about student development. Here I have table of content that consists of definition of teenager, development of teenager, development text of teenager, characteristic of teenager development, data collection teenager, result and discussion, and the last one is conclusion. So in this table of content, I have 7 main points to explain. The first point is definition of teenager. According to Nugroho and Gumantan 2020, teenager is the time when an individual develops and shows the first secondary sexual sign until the moment he or she reaches sexual maturity. Individual experience patterns of psychological development and identification from children to adults, and there is a transition from complete socioeconomic dependence to a relatively independent state. Teenager also is a developmental change between childhood and adulthood that leads the physical, cognitive, psychosocial change. Mental change that occur in adolescence or teenager include intellectual, emotion, and social life. In the second slide, I have development of teenager. In this development of teenager, I have 3 main points that I'll explain. The first one is early teens. A teenager at this stage, 10 to 12 years old, becomes someone who is still amazed by the changes that occur in his own body and the influence that accompany those changes. The point number 2 is intermediate teens. This stage is 13 to 15 years old. At this stage, teenager desperately need friends. There is a narcissistic tendency to love oneself by liking friends who have the same qualities as her or as him. And the last one is late teens. This phase, 16 to 19 years, is phase of consolidation towards growth and is characterized by the achievement of the following 5 things. The first one is growing interest in the function of reason. Second one is the ego seeks opportunities to bond with others and gain new experience. The third one is it forms a sexual identity that will never change again. The fourth one is selfishness, or being too selfish is replaced by a balance between self-interest and the interest of others. And the last one is building a wall that separates the individual and the general public. So next slide is about development text of teenager. In this development text of teenager, also have 3 stages. The first stage of teenager development text is when the developmental text that must be done as teenager in the early stage are to accept physical condition and use the body more effectively. And the second one stage is mid-adolescent or teenager, where developmental tasks to be carried out in this stage are to gain independence and autonomy from parents, develop relationship with large group, and acquire the ability to form closing friendship, as well as learn about various things, relationship, advertising, and sexuality. The third stage, or phase, is late adolescent or late teenager, in which the most important text of individual development is to achieve independence as in mid-adolescent or mid-teenager, but to prepare for total separation from parents, the formation of a responsible personality, preparation for an economic and educational career, it focuses on personal ideologies that imply the acceptance of values and ethical system. So move to the next slide. We have characteristic of teenager development. So in this characteristic of development teenager, we have 6 points. First is physical development. Second is cognitive development. Third is development of self-identity. Fourth is emotional development. Fifth is personal development, and the last one, or the sixth one, is development of religious awareness. Next, this is the data instrumental that I used to interview and questionnaire the subject. So I use an interview. One is an interview for subject and the questionnaire for subject fill. So this is the result and discussion about the interview, about student interview. We have a video from the subject. Before I explain about the result, let's we see or watch the video first.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Jihanul Maidah, kelas 12, sekolah di SMK Negeri 4 Mataram. Ya, saya menerima keadaan fisik saya karena kita harus mensyukuri nikmat Tuhan. Saya kurang mampu untuk bertanggung jawab karena saya tidak terlalu suka bergaul dengan orang lain. Saya memiliki banyak cita-cita, di antaranya seorang desainer. Saya sangat menghargai lawan bicara karena saya merasa senang ketika ada orang yang ingin berbicara dengan saya. Saya sudah mengalami sejak kelas 10 dan saat itu saya masih berusia 16 tahun. Saya punya permasalahan hidup. Saya sering malu untuk berbicara di depan umum. Dan untuk kondisi keluarga saya saat ini, kedua orang tua saya sedang pisah. Ya, saya kesulitan untuk memahami pelajaran, terutama bahasa Inggris, karena memang dari dulu kita kurang diajarkan untuk belajar bahasa Inggris. Entah ini bully atau tidak, tapi saya sering merasakan saya tuh sering dijauhi oleh teman-teman. Untuk mata pelajaran yang saya sukai itu seni budaya karena banyak hal menarik yang bisa kita pelajari. Mata pelajaran yang kurang saya sukai itu bahasa Inggris karena memang kurang paham. Ya, saya menjalankan ibadah dengan baik karena memang itu udah kewajiban.
Okay, that is the video interview from subject. So I'll explain about the result of the video. For the first question, the subject accept the physical state and is grateful for the creator gifts. For the second question, the answer for question number 2, the subject is less able to take responsibility in the community because the subject does not like to interact with people or with many people. Answer for question number 3, the subject has many aspirations, one of which is to become designer. This is a typo 1, I'm sorry. The answer for number 4 is the subject really appreciate the interlocutor and is happy to be talked to by people. The answer for question number 5, the subject has experienced puberty at the age of 16 years or grade 10 of high school. Answer for question number 6, the subject has life problems, namely or there is often feeling overwhelmed to speak in public, and the subject parents have separate. Question for number 7. The subject is difficult to understand the subject, especially English, because from the previous education background, it is not tough or focus. For the answer for number 8, the subject feels bullied indirectly because she is often sent by her friends. The answer for question number 8, the subject like the lesson or the study of cultural arts and does not like English lesson because the difficult to understand. And the answer for the last question is the subject carried out worship routinely. Okay, let's move into a next slide. In this slide, we have conclusion and suggestion. So for the conclusion is adolescent or teenager is a critical transition period characterized by significant physical, cognitive, emotional, and psychosocial change. This phase, which typically spans from around 10 to 20 years of age, involves rapid growth and development, including height and weight increase, sexual maturation, and evolving cognitive abilities. Adolescents or teenagers strive for independence and the formation of self-identity while developing abstract, logical, and idealistic thinking. However, this period is also marked by ambiguity as individual negative between childhood and adulthood, leading to unique challenges and behavior. So for the suggestion, to fully understand what adolescent is or what teenager is, how adolescent develop, their characteristic, and the factor that influence this aspect, I recommend it for reading this report carefully, especially important for educators to be understood or understand the adolescent or the teenager student they teach and to make teaching and learning activity more effective both inside and outside the classroom. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.